Let me show you how to do chakras strengthening. Strengthening means putting energy into the chakras. You can only do strengthening or putting energy into the chakras after a sufficient cleansing. So you need to watch another video where I showed you how to clean chakras. Cleaning chakras means energy out. Strengthening means energy in. Why you can't put energy in before cleansing? It is because if you start putting energy into the chakra before cleansing, and chakras are already dirty, have so much toxic energy, and you put more energy into the chakras, they will explode. And you can make yourself feel worse, maybe even sick by doing that. So you need to clean all the toxic energy first and then put positive constructive energy in after a sufficient cleansing. So in this video I want to show you how to do strengthening. It means putting energy into the chakras. I will show you how to do it on the solar plexus. First of all, you need to prepare your hands. Make your hands sensitive to energy. How to do it? You just rub your hands together like that until they are warm. And keep your eyes closed because you need to stay within. If your eyes are open, your attention is on the external. You need to stay within. Okay, so rub your hands until they are warm. Now spread them apart and try to find your ball, energy ball generated by rubbing your hands together. You find it by bringing your hands together, but if you do it millimeter by millimeter, if you do it fast, you will miss it. You need to do it very slowly and very gently. So this is the size of an average ball. Okay, I really feel tingling sensations now in my hands. It means my hands are ready to do more work. Now visualize that a yellow light entering your ball from the top. And now you are holding a yellow ball of energy. Yellow is the solar plexus chakra color. So feel this yellow energy. It feels like your own sun. Beautiful, warm energy. Okay, now take this ball and bring it to your solar plexus chakra. Now you need to put this energy into the chakra by doing clockwise movements. To do this, you can use a watch. Okay, clockwise this way. You always have to put watch face up. You only need watch to understand the direction. So you need to start clockwise movement. You can use one hand. I usually do it with one hand, with dominant hand, and use the other hand as an antenna. And I feel that this yellow energy penetrating my solar plexus. And my solar plexus is growing, becoming stronger and purer, like pure yellow vibrations in my upper belly area. So now you can spread this yellow color throughout your whole belly and now throughout your whole body. You need this yellow color because this yellow color is the color of your personal power, your self-esteem, your satisfaction with life, your feeling I can and I will do it, your feelings of I can overcome the challenge, I go through it, and I am enough, I am worthy. This is the solar plexus chakra energy. So feel your yellow vibrations in your belly and everywhere. Every single cell of your body should vibrate with yellow color. This is how you strengthen solar plexus chakra, by generating the color, the energy, and putting it into the chakra. It is the same process for all other chakras, but you have to use different color appropriate to each chakra.